Hello all, this is Nikum and welcome to latest government job updates in English. So one more recruitment is there from SPMCL for this year. Okay, and this time is for Bank Note Press, Devas, Madhya Pradesh for the position of supervisor and junior assistant. Total 16 vacancies are there. You can see the grade of S1 grade is for supervisor and B3 grade is for junior assistant. Okay, those who completed graduation in any field they can apply to junior assistant, and those who complete diploma, BTech, BSc in CSE IT they can apply to supervisor and IT. Okay, so now we will see one by one detailed information regarding this mini ratna. So let's start with our video. So as always we see important points. So first thing, that for supervisor IT 60% aggregate you should compulsory have, and for junior assistant 55% in graduation you should have. Okay, posting will be in Madhya Pradesh. Exam center list is given, so don't worry about that. Okay, process will be written plus typing for junior office assistant and written only for supervisor and IT. Okay, so this is the speed required for a typing test. English at the rate 40 word per minute and Hindi at the rate 30 word per minute. Okay, bond will be there for 3 years. Now let's see the vacancy wise breakdown. So for first second post there is a experience required. Okay, supervisor IT there is one vacancy for SC, and office assistant 15 vacancies are there total. So you can see the category wise breakdown also. Now this is the exam center list. Okay, all over India. So your exam will be there along with typing test for junior office assistant will be there. Now the cutoff date is 11th of June. Okay, for your age, for your qualification, everything. So till 11th of 6 you should satisfy the age limit criteria. Also you should have degree in your hand. Okay, general OBC AWS will pay 600 rupees, SST PWD will pay 200 rupees. For general age limit is 28 for junior office assistant, and for supervisor IT age limit is 30. Okay, and then 3-year relaxation for OBC and SST 5-year relaxation is there. Form is started just now today only, and it will end on 11th of June. Okay, and exam date will be July or August. As you know, SPMCL conduct exam very fast, so let's see that whether this corona situation will affect it or not. So for tentatively you can see this July and August. Okay, now very important that your exam pattern for supervisor IT. So technical, quant, general awareness, English and reasoning will be there. Total 2 hours you will get. Okay, 240 marks. Negative marking is not there, so this is very advantage for you. English and Hindi paper language. Okay, sectional cutoff and timing will not there. Then for junior office assistant 40 question each from reasoning, English, general awareness and quant. Okay, again you will get 2 hours, 160 marks total. Negative marking is 0. Okay, and paper language is English and Hindi. So I will meet you in the strategy video regarding the SPMCL recruitment. If you have any query, any doubt, then just comment down below. If you want any career guidance, then you can DM me on Instagram. All the best.